Okay, bafethu, umbuzo uthi, did Orlando Pirates score 2 goals yesterday against Orbit College? That's my question namhlanje kuseni. Did Orlando ungaphenduli ucabange kahle, cabangisise kahle mawungalazi ibhola ungawuphenduli lo mbuzo. IPirates ishaye amagoli amabili yini izolo against Orbit College? Yebo noma cha? Because the scoreboard says Orlando Pirates 2, Orbit College 0. And when the league table is being compiled, khona i-category ka-goals scored or goals for. So, which means the number of goals you scored in a season. And according to media reports, Pirates are the highest scoring team. They wouldn't say Pirates have scored, 50 goals plus 2 own goals, if it's 52 goals, or whatever the case might be. They would say Pirates scored 46 goals this season, right? So did Pirates score 2 goals izolo noma cha? Khona goals for, khona goals against. So those were 2 goals against Orbit College. And there were 2 goals for Orlando Pirates. But it was own goals. So Maula's kahle ibhola educated. Did Pirates score 2 goals? That's how you get a goal difference. It's goals for. Your goals minus ama goals against you. So it's goals for. So did Pirates score 2 goals yesterday? Yes or no?